Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect USB pen drive to HUAWEI Nova 10 SE. So right here I have a pen drive, it's a USB-C and it should connect without any problem. If you don't have it, you might want to get the adapter for normal USB to this phone. Now let's plug it into the charging port like this. Then place the phone. We might need to wait about 3-5 seconds and then we should see this notification right here. There's USB drive for transferring photos and media. We can view to open all the files that this pen drive contains. And there's also a way to disconnect it safely. So for example, if you want to disconnect it right now, scroll down your notification bar and click on unmount, and here wait till this don't move disappears and remove the stick afterwards. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.